guys, and welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the language on Samsung Galaxy Watch. So here I have a Galaxy Watch 8, but it's the same also for the other Samsung Galaxy watches. And if you want to change the language on this watch, because now it's on Spanish, and if you scroll down and go to settings, to the general settings, here you won't find the language settings, and the question is how to change the language on this watch. So for that you need to go on your phone, because your watch is linked to a phone, and here just go to settings. Also my phone is on Spanish, and here go to general settings. Here there are, and here we have the language, and from here just change the language. Now it's on Spanish. You can choose your favorite language. Here we have English, and then just apply. And now if you go back to your watch and go to settings, as you can see, now my phone is on English. So it is very easy. You need the phone to change the language on your watch. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.